Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you here. Today I'm going to a birthday party, so I just wanted to do a eye colorful tutorial. Yes, I'm going to the birthday party with this look because the looks I do love going out with it. If you want to see the tutorial of the other eye and pretty much finish my face, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. I already had my base and it's kind of like creasing, so I'm just gonna straighten that out. And I had the P. Louis base, so now I'm gonna use this nice beautiful color right here and pull it like literally all over my crease, like above it, like dragging it all the way to my nose. I'm really concentrating it, and I'm gonna also like blow it out. It's a really pretty color. Okay, now I'm gonna switch my brush and gonna take this very dark purple and just go under it for a gradient effect. And I got this look, this makeup look from my favorite inspiration makeup artist. Her name is Stacy Marie MUA on Instagram. She's so good, so good. Like I want to recreate like all her looks. So you can see I'm dipping it up just to create that radiance, going back to the first brush with the first color and just pretty much blending the edge. So to deepen this even more, I'm gonna tap my brush into a black. It's just a black, and I'm really gonna concentrate it right under that purple also, just to have that gradient. I'm gonna sweep it all over at the edge also and just bring it all the way in. I'm gonna tap into the purple to help soften the black. Just dragging and blending. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm still using the P. Louis concealer, and I'm just gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna do like a half moon cut crease. Okay, now it's all cut and looking good. I'm gonna use this palette. It's a Sugar Peel palette. There's the palette. There's the beautiful colors. I'm gonna start with this, go in with this, then end with this. So I'm starting with that beautiful lime green, packing it. I'm just gonna put it in the inner third. Now I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna flip it over and go into the really light blue. I'm putting that on the center and overlapping it a little bit with the green. I have like a towel right here where I can like wipe off residue of the eyeshadow on my brush. So if you need to, do so. So I'm just overlapping, tapping, and yeah, looking good. So I'm using that really true blue, dark blue, and just finishing it up at the edge. See, and I'm just gonna overlap a little bit of the light blue so it could look well blended. I'm gonna go back with my other brush. We did light blue and overlap with the darker blue. It's just a back and forth thing so that, you know, you can have that blend. Okay, it's looking good, looking good. And I'm gonna go back with the very black because I want this edge very black. And I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Just use any eyeliner. I'm using the Anastasia gel eyeliner. And instead of a regular oval eyeliner, I'm gonna bring it like from the corner straight up. I'm gonna stop right here, so you're gonna see. So I'm gonna start right here in the corner, dragging it. But I'm gonna drag it up. See what I mean? Into like a diagonal. And just fill in the gap. And I'm just gonna stop right here. I'm not gonna use a wing. I'm not gonna draw a wing. Just stopping where the eyeshadow ends. Then after that, I'm gonna go back to my very black just to help blend the very edge of the eyeliner, because I want this area very black. Now I'm gonna use this brow enhancer from Sephora. I just got it because I thought maybe I could use it for the waterline, but I'm gonna actually use it as a primer under my eye, just for something sticky for the eyeshadows to have. So I'm just gonna run that, and it's very thick, so if you have a you can use a concealer instead. And I'm gonna put that on my waterline also. So now I'm gonna go back to my green, my lime green, and I'm gonna really pack it in the lower inner corner just to match up the top. And I'm gonna connect it also. And I'm gonna also put it on my waterline. Ooh. Switch my brush, get the light blue, and finish it up. On my waterline also. Ooh. I'm gonna get the dark purple and mix it with the black and just finish the underneath my lower lash line. Picking more of the black because I really want it really dark at the edge. Yeah, so, and for the little gold, I'm using my Pat McGrath like gold pigment, the very first collection she brought out. So I'm just gonna use my brush, paint that, and just put it at the very top of the crease. I love going to parties with colorful eyes because everyone's gonna be like so admiring it. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my mascara. Any mascara would do, just to help blend the lashes, like the lashes I got from Ali. I used on my last video. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush off, as the lashes is drying, I'm just gonna brush off all this fallout. Good thing I had the powder baked under to catch all the fallout. So I'm just gonna blend the rest of my face. After I blend my face, I always like to go back with more contour because that could just be blended away. Like I feel like it could just wash off with all those blending. So I just like to add more after all my blending is done, just to intensify it. So after that, I'm gonna add some blush. My La Femme blushes, I'm just gonna use like the very nude color right here. See, I have Rich Pan, but it's the most natural blush in the palette, so because I don't want anything competing with the eyes. Okay, that's gonna go. I'm gonna put on my lashes because it's dried enough. It's always tough putting these lashes because it's so long. My highlighter, Bobby Brown and Bronze Gold. Yep. Oh, I'm going in with more highlight. This is not just the start. This is just the base. You know me. I love my highlights to shine. Shine, shine, shine. Okay, after the base highlight, going in my favorite highlight I have, which is the Dynasa Marix loose highlight in Heat. And I'm just gonna top everything for that extra shine. Woo! Shine bright like a diamond. Nude lips for sure. I am not trying to compete with my own face. So just a regular brown lip pencil. And I'm finishing that off with my nude lippy. It's my Jeffree Star lipstick in Celebrity Skin. I want to keep it matte. I don't want lip gloss. It's a very subtle lipstick, so I think I'm done. Just need my finishing spray. Best finishing spray ever. This makes your makeup last. I use this for my brides, everybody that has oily skin. Keep it matte. It's called Blue Marble SELR. Got it from Amazon. It's expensive, but it lasts. It makes your makeup last. Since this is a birthday party, I'm gonna be dancing. Yes, I do dance a lot. So let me go put on my wig and I will come with the finished look. Okay, I'm back. Hair, wig on, looking good, and let's start the looks. Okay guys, I hope you love it. I love it. I feel beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to go to the party. And check me out on Snapchat to see, you know, how the party went, and like I do mini tutorials and stuff. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely don't forget to comment and like, and I'll definitely wait. And always remember that Jesus loves you and I love you. And I will see you on my next video. Ow.